And welcome back to Max Tips for All. Today, let's continue with fundamental concepts including fundamental operations exercise 13B part 3. Exercise 13B, simplify 3m plus 12m minus 5m. Here, let's perform the arithmetic operation on first two terms, that is plus 3m and plus 12m. So it becomes plus 15m. When both are in plus sign, you can directly put the plus sign and add them, and minus 5m. One term is having a positive and other is having a negative sign. So you need to place the sign of the bigger number. 15 is the bigger number, right? So you need to place the sign of that is plus. 15 minus 5 will be 10. So 10m will be the answer. 7n square minus 9n square plus 3n square. Here, let's perform the operation on first term and second term, that is 7n square minus 9n square. So here one term is having a positive sign, other is having a negative sign. So place a bigger number sign, that is negative, and subtract 9 minus 7. So it becomes minus 2n square plus 3n square. Again the same one, because it is having a negative sign and other is having a positive sign, bigger number sign and subtracted. So it becomes n square. 25zy minus 8zy minus 6zy. Here let's perform the arithmetic operation on this both. Minus 8zy minus 8zy, because both are having a minus sign. So whenever both are having a minus sign, you need to place a minus sign and add 8 plus 6. So it becomes 14zy. Next, let's perform it on a 25zy minus 14zy. So one is having a plus and other is having a negative. So put the bigger number sign, that is 25 is the bigger number when compared to 14. So you have to place 15 and subtract it. You will get 11zy. Minus 5ax square plus 7ax square minus 12ax square. Here let's perform the arithmetic operation on this both. So put the bigger number sign. So 7 is the bigger number sign. So put plus. 7 minus 5 will be 2ax square and minus 12ax square. One is having a positive and other is as having a negative sign. So put the bigger number sign, that is minus sign, and 12 minus 2 will be 10. So 10a square will be the answer. I have detailedly explained you in a previous exercises. At the end of this slide, I will explain it once again. When you are having a positive and negative, what sign you should put and everything. Minus 16am plus 4mx plus 4am minus 15mx plus 5am. Here you have to you have to add all the like terms. Am is a like term, 4am is a like term, and 5am is a like term, right? So 16am, this am 4am and 4am and 5am are having a plus sign, and so you can easily do it. So you can put plus sign and add this both. 5 plus 4 becomes 9am. Next mx, 4mx and minus 5mx. You have to put the bigger number sign, that is 15 is having a bigger number sign. So minus 15 minus 4 will become 11mx. Next, we can perform the arithmetic operation on this both terms. So it becomes minus 7am, because 16 is having a minus sign and 16 is bigger when compared to 9, right? So you have to put a minus sign and subtract. 16 minus 9 becomes 7am minus 11mx is the answer. Let's clearly understand what sign you need to put and which arithmetic operation you need to perform when both the integers are having positive sign, then put the positive sign, and what operation you have to do is add. You have to add it. So one is plus sign and other is minus sign. Then you need to put the sign of the bigger number. From this two, which number is having a bigger number? So according to that, you need to put the sign and do the subtraction. Always you need to do the subtraction. It's a vice versa. When minus and plus, if it is having minus and plus, it's almost the same. So you have to put the bigger number sign and do the subtraction. When both have a negative sign, put a minus sign and do addition. You have to add the two terms when you are having minus sign. Both are having minus sign. Put a minus sign and add them. I hope you understood it clearly. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Check the description box for the fundamental concepts. Thank you.